Welcome to Dine with the Stylish Chef. I'm Chef Garcheese, the Stylish Chef, and today we'll be making a lobster tail. Yes, with clarified butter, a nice, expensive dish that people tend to love. So I'm going to show everybody how we cut the lobster tail for presentation, and as well as putting the clarified butter, seasoning, breadcrumb, and things that I like as I bake it in the oven to make a nice, delectable lobster tail. So the first thing I like to do is spread the lobster tail, make sure we get everything out. You can see the freshness of it. And you want to cut right down the middle. So you want to take a nice scissor and get up under the shell. You don't really want to cut too much of the skin, of the flesh, but you get that in. And you want to get all the way till about the last part. People like to cut all the way down to the tail, but no, you just want to get to right here. And you can cut a little bit down here to free up some space so you have more maneuver in order for you to get that meat out. So I'm going to put the scissor down. I'm going to place it down here. Don't want to do it in the air. That way you can see it. So you just crack it. If you crack it a little bit, it's okay. But you don't want to crack it completely and destroy the shell because you still need it for presentation. So you get that out. And you want to get it up underneath the shell itself, right? Now I like to make sure that it's even, so I'll take off these pieces here. I'll crack off these two pieces. I might need some help. I'm having a little trouble, but it's okay. And, you just spread it out there. You put it on the surface that you're working with. You just put it here. So now that we have our lobster tail here, we're going to season it with our seasoning. This will be in the description as well, what the seasoning was. I'm going to put a little bit of minced garlic on there as well. Let's have that. Minced garlic is in olive oil. And a little bit of breadcrumbs for texture. So we take this. We just put this directly in the oven. All right, so now we're gonna check on our lobster. It should be ready now. And oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Look at that thing. Look at that thing. Good enough to eat. Good enough to eat. But we're not finished yet. We are not finished. We got our clarified butter here. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is delicious. Oh my God, look at that. I want to eat that right now. I don't know about y'all, but I'm about to take a bite out of this. So thank you guys for tuning in to Dine with the Stylish Chef. I look forward to seeing you guys again. Keep it stylish.